What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do something very different. I'm gonna be reviewing a new laptop that I just bought. As a content creator, you need a good laptop, especially if you go over the world, you travel like me. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all. I'm gonna do like an unboxing video of the laptop. Okay, so there's a tip here. I already tear it up, but that's how it comes. Okay, comes in a box like this. I don't know if you guys can really see. All right, so when you open the box, oops, I need more space here. When you open the box, so that's how it comes. The laptop is in there. All the access, like charger and stuff like that, they're right here. Okay. So it comes, and then that's another code. So this is the charger. Okay. And then those things, I never use them. But I don't really know what do not eat, throw away. I don't know what it's for. Probably it's for smell and stuff like that. I don't know. But I never use those things. So that's on that part. And put everything in so I can get rid of that box. So now let's get the real deal. Get this out. I'm gonna close the box so I can put this in there. All right, so I got a laptop and come inside of look like I don't know, but let's get it out. See how that sucker look like. All right. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Then it says Inspiron. I don't know if I say it right, but so now let's open it up. Get this out. All right, so this is how it looks like. Oops, yeah, I'm gonna be saying me, but it's cool. So this is how I look like. Got two speakers, both sides right here, and then there's a fingerprint thing. Okay. So I don't know if there's charge in it, but let's try to turn it on. Should have a low charge. Okay, I'll turn it on. Nothing work. Okay, or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I need to plug it. But usually they come with a little bit of charge, so you can, can just use it. But I guess on that one, that's not the case. So I use the charger and plug it. Like this. Oops, get the sucker out. Now it's always good to get that table thing here to plug stuff. Plug it in. Okay, lights on. Oh, and also I gotta show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I see the USB come with a HDMI, USB, the charging port, and then the Type C cable thing on that side. And then on the other side, come with a SD card, headphone, and then a USB port. So basically, I think it got like 2 USB port, Type C, stuff like that. So now we're gonna connect it. I think it's right here. Okay, I connected. I don't know if I put it on the wrong one. Okay, the light is on. So now this. Okay, it's turning on. All right. And by the way, this thing got like it's a i7 core, and then it got like 16 gigs, and then it got 1 gigabyte SSD. So this thing supposed to be fast. Okay, it's supposed to be real fast, super fast. So now we got it on. We're gonna see how it looks like. And then it's touch screens too. You can touch the screen, touch screen. Okay. And then it comes with Windows 7. Okay, so now we're gonna do the installation. I don't know if you guys see good. I don't know if you guys see it good.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
The volume is really loud. So basically, it's English, yes. And then basically asking you, I don't know if you guys can see it right, but they're basically asking me what country. Asking me what country am I in. Hopefully you guys can see it right. So we're gonna say United States. And then keyboard layout, US, of course. Yeah. Want to add a second layout, skip. I don't want no second layout, but that might not be the case for you guys. Connect to internet. I don't want to do that right now. Can I skip that port? Okay, so I guess you cannot skip that port, which is weird. That's weird. I think I got it wrong. Okay, I got it. Okay, I guess. But I don't think they were supposed to do that, like automatically want you to connect to the internet. What if I want to skip that port and don't want to do it yet? But anyway. So now basically setting up by itself, setting up, do all the work that it needs to be done. Your PC will restart before you continue. Okay. What else? And then boom. By the way, that thing was on that laptop was on sale. Okay. It was on sale, so basically I saved around $400. But I think the sale gonna be ending tomorrow, and I don't think today's the 11, August 11, and I don't know if I'm gonna be posting that video today, but yeah. the sale gonna be in tomorrow. But in November, like for Thanksgiving, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have another deal on it. Gonna have another deal on it, and it's a 2-in-1. It's like you can convert it into a tablet. Yeah. So basically, it's a bunch of terms. Read it, agree. People never really read those things. Let's name your device. Okay, I can't skip for now, but I already read it. Now I don't know if it's the. I don't think it's the speaker, but I can kind of hear the fan going. But you still gonna hear the fan. But the thing is, I don't want it to be too loud because when I'm recording, doing voice recording and stuff like that, I don't want the sound to come to my stuff. So hopefully that's not gonna be like a huge issue. It's not gonna be going too crazy. But like right now, I can hear the fan going already. So unlike your Microsoft, now I don't know why. I don't know why they're forcing you to do those things. Like, what if I don't have a Microsoft? So either way, you gotta. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So basically, okay. So now basically they downloading something. Your update is in progress. We'll take it from here. This could take around 30 minutes. So all right guys, so everything done updating. So yes, so this is it. As I told you guys, it's touch screen. I don't know why I'm fighting with that word, but anyway, so yeah, so basically it's a fresh computer. It's my Dell. So now we're gonna check the spec, see what they say is true. I guess our consent done. Get started. Applications. Anyway, I don't think I need that one. I think this is for like weather and all this stuff. Yep, share the weather and use yeah, which what else go on window. You can get WhatsApp, Netflix, iTunes, music, or whatever. There's a lot of apps you can get in here. Let me see something. Let me see CapCut, because I'm gonna be using CapCut. Yep, I can get CapCut to edit my videos, because I'm gonna need it for that too. Okay, and then what else? Okay, yeah. Now let's see. So basically, this is it, guys. And then you got Bluetooth. You can connect your devices, send files or whatever. And the networking. So the time is not good because the time I got right now is not 6. Let's change the time. Okay, I don't care about the color right now. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment if you guys like the video. If y'all think the video was helpful. If you guys want to, like right now I don't hear the fan. Maybe it's because it was like you know, doing all the updates or whatever. Now I don't hear the fan. It's looking good. So now I'm gonna try to know it better. Which I told you guys it's let me get that off. It's a 2-in-1. It's a 2-in-1. So basically you can do this. Okay, so basically you can do this with it. So it's like a laptop. It's like an iPad now. Okay, you can do all your stuff. Yep. Alright, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. You can put it like this too if you want. There you go. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about that computer. It's the Dell Inspiron 16-inch. Okay. 2-in-1. I'm out.